Kushuthi-ke namhlanje bengibuka imovie eVikings. Ngine-problem-ke yokuthi uma ngibuka imovie ngiyahlaziya, ngiya-analyze, ngibuke ukuthi what is the message based on the movie that I'm watching. So I've been thinking and trying to understand about God and gods. As movie le Vikings, it's about God and Jesus Christ and the cross and gods. Yeah, so into ngiyibuka la bekuwukuthi empeleni bekwenzakalani, because I think the movie like, it's all about history of what happened many years ago. And I've been thinking about the Bible food, because kule movie ngiyalibona iBhayibheli and ngiyibona ngendlela introduceka ngayo iBhayibheli, and wars ezazenzeka based on gods and God. And izinto engiyibukayo, they're fighting for power, jewels, minerals, land. So lento le ingishiye nemibuzo neyimpendulo eziningi, kodwa okuyikhona khona engigcine sengikubuka ngakulandelela ngakuthanda kunalento abathi kuleya movie, angazi Lord Lux or something like that. Bamshidalo akabhiliveli kuma gods, akabhiliveli kuma god, ubhilivela kuye ukuthi anything afuna ukuyenza akakhona ukuyenza. Uprova izinto ekuthiwa they don't exist, but yena ayiprove ukuthi ziya exist. So into engiyifundilela ukuthi believe into yourself and trust your belief. Trust yourself. Trust your instincts. Believe in yourself. Whatever you do, believe in yourself. Because lo mjila lona ubhabhatisiwe in Christian way, in Christianity. Efuna ukubona ukuthi lento le abayenzayo le ukholwa kuGod lo, is it ngempela ikhona noma ayikho? Because bona they believe ukuthi you have to fight for something in order to end that thing. So lento lena ingishiya nemibuzo impela serious. So into engiyibukayo, because kunane lento yethu yeBhayibheli yama-Christians and not what. Yebo, izinto eziseBhayibhelini ezinye zazo ziyiqiniso, because bebathatha izinto abazibonayo ukuthi thina sikholelwa kuzo, bazimanipulate, bazishintsha as if izinto ezibad, but vele yet zikhona. Liphinde futhi iBhayibheli livumelana nezinto thina esikholelwa kuzo ukuthi zikhona. Unendidi ekhona. Ngokufika kwabantu abamhlophe kulela kithi kunendidi ekhona, kunemfihlo enkulu ekhona. Okumele thina sikwamukela ukuthi kukhona imfihlo ekhona. bese siyakholelwa kithina. Ufune ukuthi umuntu omnyama uvelaphi, kahle kahle uyini, ukholelwa kwini. Yazi njengamanje isikhathi u3 enangilele le movie lesengineviki ngiyibuka iseries Vikings. So sengiloko ngiyayibuka lento ngiyilandelela kwesinye isikhathi soke sifunde iBhayibheli ngoku-understand ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. Ungafundi ngendlela ukuthi hayi cha fundela ukuthi ungaphela ngiyiChristian, because you'll end up interpreting iBhayibheli ngendlela okungayona. Anike niyicinge abantu bakithi kahle kahle ningobani, because ngokubuka kwami singabantu bemvelo, si-related entweni zemvelo. Yonke into yethu i-related emvelweni. Lokho sekukhona nani ukushintsha osolukhona yini technology? Yebo sekukhona, kodwa singakhohlwa ukuthi singubani. Hayi angazi ke noma le message le ngiyifaka la izowathola abaningi noma izokwenza ama-argument amaningi. Kodwa khona ngiyafisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sike sibe nayo understanding kahle singubani. Uzifune ufune nozalo lakini, then you'll know. Ngoba umlomo uyadala, izwi liyadala ezilishilo iBhayibheli, but ekushoni kwalo kukhona la lesitwista khona. So kukithi ukuthi siyathola noma siyaqhubeka nokulandela amanga lawe esifidwa wona.